How to activate your Flybuys card account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Official Help Desk. Today I'll guide you through the process of activating your Flybuys card online account, which is renowned as Australia's premier loyalty program. By shopping and scanning with the Flybuys partners, you can accumulate valuable points. To get started with activating your Flybuys card, launch your preferred web browser. Navigate to www.flybuys.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Once you reach this official web page, registration of your card is essential for the activation. So, you have to click on Join Flybuys option over here, which is highlighted in the blue color, located at the top right corner to initiate the registration process. Here in this page, you have to enter your valid email address and your password, and then after click on continue. Over here, fill in your personal details including your first name and last name, mobile number, and proceed by entering the verification code sent to you. Follow the on-screen instructions providing your personal information and card details as prompted. By completing these steps, you will successfully activate your Flybuys card promptly. I trust that this tutorial has been beneficial to you. If you found it helpful, do show your support by giving us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more informative video like this. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.